Hello everybody, I got a PlayStation 4 for Christmas, 1 terabyte, and I'm excited to play it. I'm gonna open it now, and this is basically an unboxing video. So, here's the front, here's the back. It has awesome details. Now we just decide and open these two. Or I can just open from here. Got the nice controller. Oh, there's the back, front. Okay. Charger. Not that much. Don't know what this is. Don't know what this is either. Power cord. It's an extra box. Manual. PlayStation 4. I'm not gonna open from the wrapper, but this looks nice. Sorry if you can hear. Call of Duty Black Ops 3 Nuketown. And everything.